Hello everyone, welcome back uh, to PLC Automation. In this video, we will upgrade our pump project with a maintenance system. We will track pump runtime hours, count the number of the starts, and generate maintenance alarms directly on HMI. We will add a total runtime hours since last service, hours remaining before service, a maintenance due warning, a maintenance overdue alarm, and a reset button for the HMI. To do this, we create first of all a project, and in our project we add a CPU. We add an HMI this time. We add number 9. It should be enough. Okay. We activate communication between PLC and HMI. We go to devices and networks. We drag and drop on HMI, and the network connection HMI connection 1 will be created. We go to our main OB1. We add a function block. We call it FB maintenance, the language we choose as SCL. First of all, I'm going to put the variables, and now I will stop the video, and when the inputs are done, then I will turn on my camera, and then in your case you can stop the video and fill the inputs and outputs variables, and then step on to the programming code. So I will start with the inputs and outputs variables. Declare all the variables. In your case, you can just stop the video and mirror the variables names and the data types. They have to be similar in order to make a good taste at the end. So now let's start with the code.
First, we create a maintenance function block. Inside this block, we generate a 1-second pulse, and every second the pump is running, we add 1 second to the runtime counter. Then we convert seconds into hours. We compare the hours since service with our service interval. If we are close to the limit, we show maintenance due. If we pass the limit, we show maintenance overdue. Now we build the maintenance screen on the HMI, where the operator can see total hours and start count, change the service interval, see remaining hours, and reset maintenance after service. Let's test. When the pump runs, runtime increases. When we start the pump, the start counter increases. When we reduce the service interval, we can force the maintenance due and overdue alarms to appear. And after pressing reset maintenance, the system starts counting again from the service point. In the next video, we can add maintenance reminders for multiple pumps, export alarms, and build a complete industrial dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.